Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a PowerPoint presentation in mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to create a PowerPoint presentation in your mobile phone, you have to install this Microsoft application. Usually this application has been installed automatically in your mobile phone, and if you have this application installed on your mobile phone, you just need to open it. But if you haven't installed this application, you need to download it first from Google Play Store or Apple Store, and you have to install it. And after that, you just need to open it. Then we can click on create. Okay, and since we want to create a PowerPoint presentation, we can choose PowerPoint. Okay, and here you will be able to choose some options guys. You can choose pictures, create outline, blank presentation, or create from template. And for example, I'm going to select create from template, and there will be a couple of templates you can choose for your presentation. You can choose the template that you like. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and now the PowerPoint presentation has been created guys, and we can edit this presentation as we want. If you want to add more slide, you can click on this plus button like this. You can also add picture and then shape to your presentation. It's up to you. You can edit your presentation as creative as you can. Alright guys, and that's how we can create PowerPoint presentation in mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.